Hello people, so today we will be solving LeetCode equation that is 2976 minimum cost to convert string 1, and this will be given two zero index strings source and target, both of length n, and consisting of lowercase etc. And we will be also given zero index integer character arrays original and change, and an integer array cost where cost represents the cost of changing the character original I to the character change type. And we'll be start with the string source. In one operation we can pick a character x from the string and change it to the character y at a cost of z if there exists any index j such that cost of j is equal to z, original j is equal to x, and change j is equal to y. Okay, and we have to return the minimum number of minimum cost to convert the string source to the string target using any number of operation, and if it is impossible to convert source to target we have to return -1. And we note that there may exist indices ij such that original I is equal to, original j is equal to original I, and change j is equal to change I. For example, we are having source as abcd and target as abce. So in the original string we'll be finding that how we can convert from d to e. So we are having one of the path is this is that, oh okay, it's acbe, so we need to convert b to c as well. Okay, so for that we are having an explanation that the minimum cost, it would be like first we'll go from, we'll pick up the index 1, we'll convert it to b to c with the at a cost of 5, then we'll pick index 2, oh it's acbe, we'll convert c to e at the cost of 1, and then we'll change it from e to b at the cost of 2. So this is like the minimum path. So here by now the sum is 8, and then we'll change the cost index 3, that is d to e at the cost of 20. So the total cost incurred is 28. Okay, so firstly I'll be changing some of the things. I'll be using, it's very cluttered, so I'll be using some short links. Okay, and original change, and I'll be keeping the cost as it is. Okay, I'll just add a tag that what everything means. S represents source, T represents target, and O represents original, and I guess it's C represents changed. Okay, now we'll be using a Flloyd Warshal algorithm. Okay, now firstly we'll be checking that if s dot length is not equal to t dot length, in that case we'll have to return -1. Okay, then we'll be having a long distance, basically the converting like what is the minimum value we'll be getting to convert that from one character to another, so it will be of size 26 cross 26, and we'll be filling initializing it with an maximum value. Okay, so for int I equal to 0, I less than 26, I plus plus, and we'll be doing arrays dot fill distance I with maximum value of long dot max underscore value, and we'll be initializing that distance of converting a character to itself is the cost will be 0. Okay, then what we'll be doing is we'll be updating the values which we are given in the original and the change array. So for int, well, let's have n as well. Int n is equal to s dot length. Okay, for int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Okay, we'll be checking that distance of o of I minus a. Okay, minus a, and changed of I minus a is equal to the minimum of the current distance or the cost of changing it to I. Original, oh sorry, distance o of I minus a and c of I minus a, minus a comma long, let's just type extend to long cost of I. Okay, now we'll be just updating this matrix, the distance matrix. So we'll be using 3 pointer, that for int k equal to 0, k less than 26, k plus plus. For int I equal to 0, I less than 26, I plus plus. Then for int j equal to 0, j less than 26, and then a j plus plus. Okay, and we'll be updating the, first we will be checking certain anything, that if distance of I, just a second, So we'll be checking that if distance of ik is equal to the maximum value, not max underscore value, or if distance of k to j means kth character to jth character is long maximum value long dot max underscore value. In this case we'll be continue, else we'll be updating the distance of ij will be equal ij will be equal to minimum of distance ij or the distance of ik plus distance of kj, like by traversing one character to other. For example, in this, firstly we converted c to e and then we converted e to b because it was costing less, so we are updating this in this way. Okay, and then let's have our answer variable, and then we just have to calculate the difference for int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Okay, and then we'll be checking the difference, that long difference will be equal to distance of s dot char at I minus a t dot char at I minus a. Okay, and at any point if we cannot change convert one character to another, so we'll be adding a check as well. So if difference is equal to the maximum value long dot max underscore value, that means it's not possible. In this case we'll return -1, else we are going to return our answer. Okay, now let's give it a run. Oh, okay, so it states at line number 13 ci minus a I minus a. Okay, why is this happening? Distance of original change minus a. I forgot to, oh sorry, it should be 26 here. Now let's give it a run. It should be 26. No, it should be the cost dot length. Okay, cost dot length, sorry, my bad. Okay, it shouldn't be n, it should be cost dot length, that's why that happened. Okay, and I got a wrong answer. Output 0. Oh, my bad, I forgot to update the difference. Answer was equal to def. Oh sorry, I forgot to update the answer variable. Yeah, now it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.